Hi friends, welcome to your lighting. This is Mandy. As you know, I have a big house waiting for me to decorate, and yesterday Candy introduced to me these two types of magnetic check light. Yes, I'm very interested in this one, but as you know, my house is too big and I don't want my house to be simple. So I would like to, and I want my house to have a variety of magnetic check light like this one. So today I invite Candy again to introduce me more products for me to see if I have more products like. Yes, and now let's welcome Candy. Welcome.
Hi,
Candy.
Mandy. Hello, everyone. This is Candy. Welcome to your lighting. And today I'm also a teacher and a sales here, and to teach you how to decorate your home. Use our magnetic.
Okay, and now let's start our today's introduction.
Yes.
Candy, as you know, I have a big house and I also have a big dining room. Can you tell me your basics length of your check rail?
Yes. Our check rail we have three sizes.
Three sizes.
Yeah, 1 meter and 2 meters and 3 meters.
Oh, 1 meter, 2 meter, and 3 meter.
Yeah.
That means the longest one is 3 meter, right?
Yes.
But I think my dining room at least have 10 meters. So I think the 3 meters check line is not enough. So what should we do? Can you tell me?
That is a problem, but to me, that's not a problem. Let me teach you. Such as your room is 10 meters, right? We can use 3 meters plus 3 meters plus 3 meters and plus 10 meters.
Oh,
yes, that's a point. How to use the many tricks and connect together. This one is the point one. We call it straight connector. Straight connector.
Straight connector.
Yes,
okay.
yes. It could be connect the different, such as this. I can connect together. Use this.
Also has 2 buttons.
Yes.
Press.
How to use this? Use your fingers and push the buttons at the same time. And then, okay. Okay. Now you can see.
That means we use this straight connector. These two separate check line can be connect the power together, and both these two sides. When we put the light on these two sides check rail, both sides of the lights can brighten also, right?
Yes. And two check rails use 1 connector, and 3 use 2, 4 use 3. Such a example.
Yes. So I would like to see if they can bright. So can you install the lights and let me?
Can you please help to connect the power?
Oh yes.
Wait a moment, we will have to help. Later, I will show you the lighting effect, how to use the connector to connect 2 rails on one ceiling.
Okay.
Okay, sorry, because my mistake. Please don't forget to put the connect in a wonderful area, so that the lighting will be bright. If your lighting won't be bright, just ask me and I will told you how to check what's the problem with the check. Okay.
That means
Yes.
we need to install the straight connector right correctly, and then
Yes.
just in this way, these two sides light can
Yes.
bright right.
To make sure that your instruction is well, then it will be no problem.
Okay.
If the lighting won't be bright, just check everything everywhere. Which one is better, or sorry, which one is bad. To make it better, then will be no problem.
That means if there have any mistakes, I can find you anytime to help me solve this problem, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's
Today
great.
I'm bring two color of the check rail to show you, because I want you let know, because it is two check rails. Then I will put it together and use the connect to make the lamp bright.
Okay.
Yes, you can see.
Yes. Wow.
Yes.
This is really great.
Yes.
If I add one more check rail, that means I need to need
Yes.
to add one more straight connector,
Yes.
right? Oh,
Two
that's
check
great.
rails use 1 and 3 use 2, 4 use 3.
Oh.
Yes.
Then how about if I want one check light on the ceiling and one on the wall? Can I also use this straight connector?
Not at all, because if your ceiling is a square and you want to make a square check system, that means you don't use this. This just only for use on the street.
Or just on the straight?
Yes, if you want to have the such as 19 degree, we suggest you another one. This one? Yeah, this one is these two pieces is connect the check rail on different way, such as here is 1 and 2, like this. This one is connect the ceiling and to the wall.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
The ceiling and the wall. So that's mean you can make the check rail from the ceiling and to the wall.
Oh.
Yes, to use this corner. Yes.
Oh. Then how about the accessories? Can I also use this straight corner?
No.
Can they also
No, dear.
light?
This is just used on the straight only. If you want to use the corner one, we have another one. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow.
This one, what's the difference? Because here is a long cable, and
Yes.
this is without any cable. I cannot make the degree.
Yes, I noticed that.
Yeah, but for this, you can make it to straight or the corner.
Oh.
Yes, no problem for this.
That means if I want the check light on the ceiling and on the wall, then it is better for me to use this accessory, right?
Yes.
Oh.
This one is very nice.
Oh. Then how about if I want my dining room to in different shapes, like the T shape or the X shape?
Yes. No problem.
Also have others?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Actually, we have this. This we call it the corner. We have T and X also. But I forget to take the sample here, so
Okay.
just show you this one. But don't worry, we have the T and the X tab. Yes. Yes.
Wow. Then I can make my ceiling in any shape I like. I think that is really great.
Yes.
Oh, I notice here has a right angle lamp.
Yes.
It's different from this one, right?
Yes. This one is a 19-degree of this one is we use on the ceiling only. On
Oh,
the ceiling, because you know this and this is on one base. Yes, so we just use on the ceiling or on the wall, but the corner is this one.
oh,
Yes, not this one. And we use this one become if your your room is very big, like make a square on the ceiling, then you can use this one, and the lighting will be bright.
oh. Then what's the function of this? That means if I want the, just like just now the check rate on the ceiling and the one on the wall, that now if I use this product, and there is no need for me to use this straight.
Yes, if you use the ceiling
Corner?
to the wall, you can choose this one.
Oh,
Yes.
what's the
This one-
difference between these two?
Yeah, this one is leg, such as this, because the corner is different. This connect the ceiling to the wall.
Oh,
And
then
this
how about
is-
this one?
This is fixed on the ceiling only.
Oh, just fits on the ceiling.
Yes, you can check because the corner are different,
Oh,
such as you see like this. Can you understand?
yes.
Like this.
Oh,
Different
I
way.
got it.
Different way. Yes.
this one is on the ceiling,
Yes.
and this one we use in the
With-
corner. In
yes,
the corner?
to the ceiling and
Oh.
from the ceiling to the wall.
Oh,
Yes.
that is easy to understand.
Yes.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
And if you choose this one, this is the third. Then it's that is also
Generation.
yeah. This is third generation. That means we don't use the connector to connect two rails.
Oh,
We just use this one. It's okay.
oh,
Yes. Let me show you.
is there any advantages between the third generation to the second generation?
Yeah, the third generation is very easy to use. You just put it inside. It's okay.
Oh, just put it
No
inside.
need to push the button. But if you want to move it, you should to push the button.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, here is.
okay. Let's now first take this light out first.
Thank you, thank you. Okay, now we can.
Okay.
Now you can connect the power.
Oh.
No.
Wow,
You can see.
so easy. It's easy to install
Yes.
than the
To
normal.
use this, the third generation, we don't need to use the connector to connect the power. We just use this lamp only. It's okay.
Oh,
Yes. It's very easy to use and no need one more accessory.
wow, it is very convenient. But Candy, can you show me how to, if I just want this normal light, so how can I use this
The same as
accessories
this. You
and
just use your finger to push the button and to put it inside. It's okay.
oh,
Yes.
I think this one is really convenient and no
Yes.
need these accessories. So I'm also interested in this one. So now I'm interested in this one, and now I add one more light product, that is this one.
Yes.
Yes, and as you know, I have yes, and as you know, I like painting very much, and I have a lot of paintings in my house. So I want my painting to be gorgeous. So can you introduce some? Can you recommend to me some lights for me to light up my painting?
Yes, if you want to focus on the lighting on your painting, I will introduce another one to you, because for this tab it is the white. The lighting is very white and don't have the point on the wall.
Oh,
If
not so
you-
focused, right?
Yes, no. If you want to break your painting, I will introduce to you another one next time.
Oh,
Yes.
can you tell me what's that like? That type?
Yes, we have the sport tab and the pendant tab, but pendant tab you can use on the dining room, and the sport tab you can use on the such as focus the lighting on the wall.
Oh,
Yes.
and is all of them are all magnetic check,
Yes.
magnetic products?
Of course.
Oh.
This time we introduced the magnetic at first, because it is a very popular thing on the market, and from 3 years ago it is not very popular, but for these 2 years it's more and more popular for now. So it is a new thing that many young people to like this more than the normal one.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you,
Yes.
Candy, so much for your recommendation and
Yes.
introduction. And I hope next time you can introduce to me some magnetic spotlight, so I can choose the one I like to to light up my paintings. So I think my house must be gorgeous and very beautiful. And I'm looking forward to your introduction next time. Yes.
No problem.
Yes, and that's all for our today's sharing. And let's thank you all of you guys, and let's look forward to Candy's next introduction, and hope what she introduced to me is also you are also interested. So if you interested in what Candy recommend to us, just leave us your contact information, and we can talk about these products together. And I think Candy and me and we must try our best to show you what you want, and you can find the product you like. Yes.
Yes. If you have any questions and if you want to buy more magnetic, you can contact with us. Now is our contact information.
Yes.
And we have more and more popular are waiting for you. So please contact with us.
Yes. Please follow our next live stream. Follow You Are Lighting. Yes.
Bye.
Bye.